Welcome back. It's now time for your Midday Sports Report.
Mount Pleasant FA are the first team to qualify for the semi-finals of the Wray Nephew Jamaica Premier League. This after registering a comfortable 2-0 win over Chapelton Maroons on Monday in the opening match of a doubleheader at the Anthony Spaulding Sports Complex. Angelo Exelas in the 61st minute and Raheem Edwards in the 74th were the scorers for Mount Pleasant. Meanwhile, a double from Owain Gordon led Montego Bay United to a 3-0 victory over Racing United in the second match of the doubleheader at the venue. Gordon opened the scoring in the 11th minute before Peter Lee Vassell on his return to the league scored the second in the 82nd. Gordon then sealed the deal with his second goal in the 89th minute. Montego Bay United remain in second place in the standings on 72 points, hoping to secure one of the automatic qualifying spots to the semi-finals. Racing remained in 8th place. The finals of the ISA National Under-19 Volleyball Championships will take place this afternoon at GC Foster College. Urban area champions Campion College are currently facing rural area champions Knox College in the Under-19 girls final. Urban area champions Woolmer's Boys will face off with rural area champions Arokabessa High at 2:30 p.m. in the Under-19 boys final. Reggae boy Leon Bailey will be missing from Aston Villa's squad when they face Paris Saint-Germain PSG in their UEFA Champions League second leg quarter-final match at Villa Park this afternoon. The encounter kicks off at 2 p.m. Jamaica time. Bailey will miss the match due to injury. PSG carry a 3-1 advantage from the first leg match into this afternoon's contest. Meanwhile, many-time champions Barcelona will carry a 4-0 advantage into their second leg match against the Borussia Dortmund in Germany. The Jamaica Rifle Association recently hosted their monthly Grand Prix series with ace shooter Ryan Bramwell stamping his class on the field of open division competitors, scoring at 96 points ahead of his closest competitor, Alreese Palmer, who was a distant second. Petrano Belafante finished third. And as the race for national honors intensify in other divisions, Michael Wilkinson staved off challenges from Darnell Buckle and Adrian Randall, who were second and third respectively, to win the Standard Optics division. Pan American gold medalist Darren Richards once again showed off his A game to capture the Standard division ahead of Paul Dixon, who shot at 97%. Anthony Johnson, Rohan Wallace, and Josimar Clark were the top three finishers in the hotly contested production division. And that is it for your midday sports roundup. And I am Jermaine Brown.
And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.